Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all these items that I got from Amazon. So at first I have this vinegar. It's from this brand Wakefield. It's Wakefield chili vinegar, which is 200 grams like ml, and there is the chili inside it. The cost of this originally is 50 rupees as it is mentioned here, but I got it for 45. I have never tried this out, so I thought of trying. This is how inside there is also a packaging so that it doesn't come out during the transportation. Next I have this red chili sauce, which is again 200 grams and it is for 50 rupees, but I got it for 45 rupees. You can even get it at lesser prices. So this is how it looks. It's red in color and it's quite thick. Next I have this green chili sauce. All of these three are from same brand. Which is again for 50 rupees and I got it for 49 rupees. It's green in color. Now all of this three packaging is very nice. The bottles that they have provided, they are really very nice. Now this is the Hershey's cocoa powder that I already had before also and I finished it, so I reordered this one. It is 225 gram for 245 rupees, but I got it for 213. The top cover was little bit loose, like it had come out, but this was intact quite good, so I didn't had any problem. This is a very nice cocoa powder which I have used before also for cakes and all, and it also comes for very long time. Like I think I had made almost 7-8 cakes, I think so. Next I have this veg atta noodles, which is of 4 packs and it is 290 gram. This time I thought of trying atta noodles instead of those maida ones. So this is for 75 rupees, but I got it for 74 rupees. Here the prices are mentioned at the side. Next I have this camphor from Mangalam and it is actually the price is 195 rupees, but I got it for 235 because of delivery charges. They have lot of delivery charges for this. Before this I had got actually one more camphor that was much more better than this one, but this is also fine. This smells little bit different compared to that and it is a little bit smaller as well. Next I have this Mangal Dip Agarbatti and I got it in lavender fragrance. It have got like 2 packets and it will have 80 to 84 sticks of agarbatti. The cost of this is 50, but I got it for 49 rupees. Again the smell, it's very good, but the smell is little bit different compared to the lavender. It's not exactly kind of a lavender, little bit different. So these are the 2 packets that you will get. Next I have this wafers. This is in vanilla, which is 75 grams and the cost of this is 45 rupees, but I got it for 34 rupees. I'll just open this and show you all. It's very nice. There are packets inside. Inside this there is a box and then there are 2 packets. This is how it looks and this is vanilla one. Same like vanilla, I also have strawberry which costs same as that vanilla one, 45, and I got it for 34. Next I have this Sunrise Nescafe coffee, which is 100 gram. You get different quantity as well, which is for 180 rupees, and I got it exactly at the same price, 180 rupees. This is how it looks. I really like the Sunrise ones, so I got this one for me. Next I have this Duke's Wafy Rose Strawberry, which is 300 gram, and it costs 250 for this whole container. That I got it for 188 rupees. I really wanted to buy this type. There is also chocolate flavor that you get. I got this strawberry ones. I'll open it and show you all. You get 3 packets inside. Here this is the outer covering. This container is also very nice. So this is how it looks like, and it's very tasty as well. You get it from other brands also, I think so. Next I have this Lux body wash. I have already tried one more of Lux, and I have also shared review of this, and this is the next bottle that I got. It is 235 ml for 99 rupees, and I got it for 98. I'll be sharing proper review of that again in another video. Then next I have this custard powder, which is in vanilla flavor. It is 100 gram, and the cost of this is 37 rupees, and I also got it for 37, same price. Of all these products, I'll be leaving down link in the description box, so you can check it out if you like.